Ever wondered what is spear phishing? It's a crafty form of cybercrime where fraudsters impersonate trusted figures to swindle sensitive information or funds. Take Walter Stephens' case for instance. As the CEO of FACC, an airplane part manufacturer, he was tricked into transferring $56.79 million to criminal accounts, all thanks to a duplicitous email, a painful reminder that even the big fish can fall victim to such scams. So how does this sophisticated cybercrime work? Spear phishers are not your average hackers. They do their homework. They dig into your professional life, perhaps through social media platforms like LinkedIn, to understand who you are, what you do, and who you interact with. Using this information, they craft meticulously personalized emails that seem authentic, bypassing your skepticism. The emails might appear to be from a trusted colleague or superior, cleverly designed to trick you into revealing sensitive data or granting access to secure systems. But who could be behind such elaborate schemes? While spear phishing attacks can come from anywhere, some sources are more common than others. Many high-profile cases have been traced back to state-sponsored cybercrime organizations. Take, for instance, Fancy Bear, a Russian group that notoriously targeted the United States presidential election in 2016. In recent years, a significant number of complex spear phishing attacks have emerged from Eastern Europe. So what can you do to protect yourself and your organization from spear phishing? Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about spear phishing, the better you can defend against it. Spear phishing targets individuals through personalized emails, often aimed at those with access to critical systems or sensitive information. High-profile individuals are particularly vulnerable. State-sponsored groups, particularly from Eastern Europe, are frequently behind these attacks. Stay safe out there, and remember to always verify before you trust. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more informative content like this. See you soon.